Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a cloud text effect with clipping mask. Use a blue sky background for your canvas. Type your main word in image, bold rounded font. Add a cloud photo above the text. Right click and apply create clipping mask. Cloud fills inside your letters naturally. And add outer glow for realism. Now duplicate the cloud layer for thickness. Now use the smudge tool for soften edges and also add small birds for a natural touch. Now insert sun glare effect using gradient, then use levels to enhance brightness. Merge and blur edges slightly and also add white stroke